Hello guys, from today's to onward we are going to start a course Python for you. In this playlist, in this course Python for you, I will cover Python from very beginner level to expert level. I will cover all the code concept in Python. So I'm going to cover Python A to Z in this course. So if you will follow this playlist, you are able to learn Python programming language. In this introductory video, I'm going to set up the environment to run the Python code in your system. Let's start. I'm going to use, just open your Chrome browser, google.com. Let me open Google. Then I'm going to use Visual Studio Code to run as a compiler to run Python code. You can use what you want. There are many IDEs, integrated development environments, you can use for Python. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. You can use PyCharm or online platform, Google Colab, anything you want. So first I will install Visual Studio Code. Just right over here, download VS Code. Click on the first link. So you can download it for your system. If you are Windows user, you can download it from here. There are so you can download for it MacBook. Either you are a MacBook user or Linux user, you can download it from here. Wait. If you are a Windows user, you can download it from here, or if you are a Linux user or MacBook user, you can download it also. So it's available for these three platforms. So click on Window, because I am a Windows user, so click on save, then the download will start. I have already downloaded it to save your time. So you have to download it. Then go to downloads, double click on it, click on accept, next, install. Then it will start installing. So we will go our next step. You have to download, if you are writing first time in your PC, sorry, if you are writing code first time, Python code first time in your PC, then you have to download Python for your system. Click search in browser, download Python. So click on the first link. So click over here, download Python. So it will start Python, downloading Python. So I can't download it because I have already downloaded it for to save the time. This installation is complete. So finish. Then I'm going to here. I have already downloaded Python. Then double click on Python. You have to download. I have told you how to download. I check add Python. So it's still downloading. I will wait for it. When the download is complete, we will. So we will come back. So the download is completed. So come in Visual Studio Code, click over here on the extension button, three boxes, and then click Python. So download this extension. I have already downloaded it. You have to click on just install, then this extension will install for you. So come over here, then I'm going to use I'm going to make a folder over here. The folder name is Python for you. Right click over here, show more option, then you can open with code. You have to click on open with code, then the Visual Studio Code open with code. So if you make file over here, click on it. So name of file tute1.py. The extension is py.py. You must have to write .py to make the file Python file. When I press enter, then you see this file is stored over here. That's why I open this file directly in VS Code. So after that, let me write our first code in Python. So print hello world. So Control S, then click on run. If you have installed, this is printed over here. If you have installed Visual Studio Code for the first time, you have to download from here code runner. So click on install, then it will install code runner for you. So this play button, you can click on this play button and your code will run. So this thing just so thank you so much for watching this video, and congratulations for writing your first code in Python. See you next time.